Hello students, welcome back to the tutorial. Students, let us continue with our chapter. We started with lesson 7, getting to know plants. Hope you have understood the concept of herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. Students, today we will discuss structure of a plant body, or you can say parts of plant. You had done earlier also, in your previous classes also you had done this. So students, I won't be taking much of your time onto this. Students, body of the plant is basically divided into two parts, root and shoot. What I am saying is, plant body is divided into two parts, root and shoot. Root and shoot. Hope you can understand this. What is root? Root is a part of plant that grows below the ground. It grows under the ground. Now, what is shoot? Shoot is a part of plant that grows above the ground. Right? This shoot system, it includes other parts also. This shoot, it bears branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, buds. Right? So, let me explain the parts of plant one by one. First of all, before starting the explanation, we have to draw the diagram of parts of plant body. So we will be starting with this. These are roots. This line I have drawn, it will show it is below the ground. Right? These are roots. Right? Then roots are of two types. This we will be taking all the parts one by one. First of all, we have to draw the plant body. Then we have to draw the shoot system. So first of all, we will be drawing the stem. Right? This is shoots. This is root system, which bear roots. Then this above the ground is shoot system. Right? Now, this shoot, it bears branches. Like this we can draw. Now these branches, they bear leaves. Like this. There are sub branches also. Now these, they bear flowers also. Like this. Right? Now they bear fruits also. Like this. Got it? Here again I am drawing this. Okay. At the top is the bud. Now bachche, bud may be at the top, or this bud, it may be present in between the branches also. Like this. Like this. Right? Now let us label the shoot system. First of all, what was this? Shoot. Then this is a leaf. This is a flower. Then this is a fruit. Then this is bud. And this bud at the top is known as apical bud. This apical bud, it helps the growth of the shoot, stem. And this bud, which arises between the branch and the shoot, it is known as axillary bud. at the axil, right? At this place, more branches may rise. It gives rise to more branches. Is that clear? Now, बच्चे, we will discuss first of all roots. What are roots? What are their functions? What type of roots are there? Right? Just a little bit I will be showing you today. Let us start with the root. Hope it is clear to all. After this, let us move to root. Bache, root is the part of the plant that grows under the ground, right? So, bache, when you pull out the roots, there are two types of roots that are found. They may be taproot or they may be fibrous root. Got it? Fibrous root. There are two types of roots, taproot excuse me, and fibrous root. We will not be doing much today, just types of roots. Rest we will be doing in the class. But what is a taproot? Have you seen the reddish carrot? They all are the examples of taproot. In this case, the main root, it is a single root. Main root is the single root, right? It grows from the base of the stem. This is the stem, right? And there are so many smaller roots that grow from its side. They are known as lateral root. This is main root and these are lateral roots. Is that clear? I hope it is clear to all. Now students, here in this case, this main root, it is much more thicker than the lateral root. Okay, just see. This is the example of taproot. This is a root. It is found under the ground. You can see it is arising from the base of the stem. This is a small stem from which it arises, and this is a root. It is a one main root, and here these are small lateral roots, right? Is that clear to you? Now students, coming to next, that is fibrous root. In case of fibrous root, here I am writing fibrous. So many roots of same thickness, they grow from the same point, making a cluster like this. Got it? They make a cluster. They all are of the same thickness and there is no main root, right? Every root, it grows from the one point only and it may branch further, right? You might have seen the branches of grasses. They are of this type only. Okay. Now students, in both types of roots, pay attention here what I am saying. In both types of roots, there are very small hair-like structure. What are these hair-like structures? Here, very small hair-like structures like this. Here also, these are known as root hair. What do we call it? Root hair. What is the function of root here? The water and other nutrients, they are easily absorbed by these root here. Because they are fine, they can easily hurriedly absorb the water and other nutrients. Right? Now, bache, one more thing. Here, in the case of main root, this tip of the main root, it is covered with the cap-like structure or a thimble-like structure, which we call as root cap. Right? The main root, the tip of this main root, it is covered by a cap-like or thimble-shaped structure, which is called root cap. Now, the function of root cap is to protect this tip from damage by the soil particles. Clear? I hope it is clear to all. Now, bache, let us do functions also. With that, we will be able to finish the root. Functions. You can note down the functions. Number 1, you all know they help to absorb water, minerals and other nutrients from the soil. Right? Number 2, these roots, they fix the plant to the soil firmly. Means they provide encouragement. Okay? With the help of the root, the plant is fixed in the soil firmly. Because, this was second point, due to roots, plant is held firmly in the soil. Because roots held the plant firmly in the soil, they prevent soil erosion. So, roots are helpful in preventing soil erosion. What I have given you 3 functions of roots. First was that they absorb water, minerals and nutrients from the soil. Right? Number 2, they hold the soil firmly and help the plant to stand there. Hold the plant. Then number 3, because roots can hold the plant firmly, they prevent soil erosion. Clear? Hope all these things are clear to you. Right? Bache, note it down in your notes notebook and draw the diagrams also in your notebooks. Fair notebooks. Side by side it will be better if you draw. In our next class, we will start with the topic of stem. Till then, enjoy.